Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of How to Log In. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log out of your Polkawallet's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log out of your Polkawallet's account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Polkawallet application. Log into your account and the home page of Polkawallet will appear on the screen. Now to log out of your Polkawallet's account, you'll need to save your mnemonic code and delete your account as there is no option of logout that has been updated. For that, from the home page, tap on Settings option at the bottom right corner of the page. From the Settings page, click on your profile name. Now tap on Export Account option. On the next page, click on Mnemonic and save your mnemonic code and then go back to your profile. Tap on Delete Account option. From the pop-up, enter your password and tap on OK. It will log you out of your Polkawallet's account in no time. To log into your account, you can use the mnemonic code that you have saved, and that is how you'll be able to log out of your Polkawallet's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.